We all know the feeling. Clutter piling up, rooms feeling chaotic, and that overwhelming sense that you'll never get on top of it. For many seniors, it can feel like an endless battle. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, we'll break down how you can regain control of your home, starting today. The clutter that's causing stress and frustration can be tackled with practical steps. You don't need to wait for the perfect time, you just need to start with a plan that works for you. I want you to know you're not alone in feeling overwhelmed by clutter. I understand how hard it can be. There's so much to go through, and it can seem like too much. But it's completely possible to declutter your space and feel a sense of peace again. The good news is that this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. And with the right approach, you can absolutely transform your home. Together we'll make this journey as stress-free as possible. Now I want you to take a moment and think about your home. What room stresses you out the most? Is it the cluttered garage, the chaotic living room, or maybe that one closet that's been sitting untouched for months? Picture that room in your mind. We're going to tackle that and more. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful decluttering hacks that work specifically for seniors. You'll learn a proven 48-hour system that has helped many seniors downsize and regain control of their space. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies and real-life examples to guide you every step of the way. If you're ready to take control of your home and start decluttering today, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment telling me which room you're going to start with. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who could use these tips too. Let's make our homes a peaceful sanctuary together. If you're finding it hard to let go of items, the 5-second mercy rule can help you cut through the hesitation. This powerful decision-making hack allows you to clear clutter quickly and confidently by limiting how long you spend deciding the fate of an item. By using your gut instinct, you'll make faster choices and feel less overwhelmed by the process. Let's look at this in action. Hack 1, the 5-second mercy rule, a quick decision-making hack that eliminates clutter in seconds. When you pick up an item, you have just 5 seconds to decide will you keep, donate, or trash it. The key here is to trust your first instinct. Don't hesitate, don't second guess. It's all about making that snap decision. If it's something you haven't used in a long time or it doesn't bring you joy anymore, don't waste another second holding on to it. In those 5 seconds, decide its fate and move on. Step by step, pick up the item in question, set a mental timer for 5 seconds or use a timer if you prefer. In those 5 seconds, immediately decide to keep, you use it regularly and love it. Donate, it's in good condition, but you don't use it. Trash, it's broken, outdated, or no longer needed. Move the item to its designated pile. Sandra, 72, used this rule to declutter her kitchen in just 20 minutes. Instead of overthinking her decisions, she trusted her gut, quickly placing unused gadgets in the donate pile and tossing expired items. She was amazed at how much she cleared out without getting bogged down by emotion. The 5-second mercy rule works wonders because it prevents overthinking and decision fatigue. By making quick decisions, you avoid getting stuck in the what-if mindset and keep the process moving. This method is especially effective for seniors who may find long, drawn-out decision-making sessions exhausting. It ensures that the decluttering process remains fast and simple, helping you make real progress without feeling overwhelmed. Hack 2, the legacy box system. One of the hardest parts of decluttering is letting go of sentimental items, but not everything that holds emotional value needs to stay cluttering up your home. The legacy box system allows you to keep the most meaningful items while letting go of the rest. It's a way to honor the past without taking up unnecessary space. By creating a clear system for your sentimental items, you can preserve the memories while creating room for a peaceful, functional space. Hack 2, the legacy box system. Keeping only what matters most while honoring the past. This system involves setting up 3 distinct boxes in each room you're decluttering. Each box will serve a specific purpose. Regular use, items you use regularly or truly love. Sentimental items, legacy, items that hold significant emotional value but are used less frequently. Donate trash, everything that no longer serves a purpose or adds value to your life. Step by step, pip. Set up 3 boxes in every room you're decluttering. Sort items based on their importance. Box 1, items you use regularly or can't imagine living without. Box 2, items that hold sentimental value, e.g. heirlooms, photos. Box 3, items to donate or toss. Honor your legacy by giving priority to meaningful items in Box 2. Keep them safe but don't hold on to too much. Sandra had a large collection of photo albums, which were deeply sentimental. She put those in the legacy box. However, her old dishes, which she never used, went into the donate box. It felt right to preserve memories but not keep items that no longer served her daily life. This system helps you keep meaningful items that enrich your life while simplifying your space. It also encourages you to let go of the clutter, making it easier to maintain a home that reflects what truly matters. Action 3. Room rotation technique. Decluttering an entire house can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into manageable chunks makes the process much more achievable. The room rotation technique allows you to focus on one room at a time, tackling the clutter in short, focused bursts. This method is especially helpful because it prevents burnout and keeps your energy high throughout the process. You don't need to do everything at once. Instead, approach it one room at a time with purpose and intention. Action 3. Room rotation technique. Transform your space one room at a time in 4-hour focused blocks. By dedicating 4 hours per room, you can make significant progress without feeling exhausted. Spread your decluttering over a weekend or longer, creating a timeline that suits your pace. The key is to stay focused on one area so you don't feel scattered or overwhelmed. Step by step, set a 4-hour block for each room. This ensures you remain focused and energized. Take breaks in between to refresh your mind and avoid fatigue. Create a timeline to spread the decluttering process over a couple of days, e.g. Saturday morning for the master bedroom, Saturday afternoon for the living room, Sunday for the kitchen, etc. Helen, 74, used this method and completed her entire house in one weekend. She started her Saturday morning with the master bedroom, followed by the living room in the afternoon. By Sunday evening, she had decluttered most of the house and felt accomplished. The room rotation technique prevents exhaustion by focusing on one room at a time. It also allows you to see tangible progress, boosting your motivation and making the process feel more achievable. Action 4. 15-minute tornado. Sometimes the key to making real progress in decluttering is speed. The 15-minute tornado is a fast-paced method designed to tackle small areas quickly, helping you make decisions on the fly without overthinking. By setting a timer and focusing on one area, you can make a noticeable impact in just 15 minutes. This method is great for preventing burnout and building momentum as you go. Action 4. The 15-minute tornado. Set a timer and tackle one area with speed. Set a timer for just 15 minutes and focus all your energy on one small space. It could be a closet, a drawer, or a countertop. By keeping the time limited, you prevent yourself from feeling overwhelmed and get into a flow of action. The goal isn't perfection, just progress. Step by step, pick a small area to tackle, e.g. one drawer, a closet shelf, or the kitchen counter. Set a timer for 15 minutes. You can use your phone, a kitchen timer, or any timer that's handy. Use the 5-second rule. Make quick decisions. Keep donate or trash on every item you touch. Trust your instincts. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Rest, recharge, and then move on to the next session if you're up for it. George, 68, was skeptical about the 15-minute tornado, but after just 15 minutes in his closet, he had cleared out multiple bags of unused clothes. It didn't feel like a long task, but he was amazed by the amount he accomplished. This hack builds momentum, keeps you energized, and helps you make swift decisions without feeling mentally drained. It's a great way to make noticeable progress quickly while avoiding decision fatigue. Action 5. Future self-visualization. One of the toughest challenges in decluttering is parting with sentimental items. The future self-visualization technique helps you connect with the life you want to create. By focusing on how you'll feel living in a clutter-free space, this method motivates you to let go of things that no longer serve you by imagining how much better your home and life will be in the future. Action 5. Future self-visualization. Imagine yourself living in a peaceful, organized home. To keep your momentum going, take a moment to close your eyes and envision your ideal space a year from now. Think about how much easier it will be to navigate your home, the peace of mind you'll have, and how the space will support your well-being. This simple mental exercise will remind you of the emotional benefits of decluttering. Step by step, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Picture your ideal space, a clutter-free home, where everything has a place and the rooms are peaceful and organized. Ask yourself, will my future self thank me for keeping this item? Let go of items that no longer fit your vision of a peaceful home. Trust that your future self will appreciate the clarity and calm your decluttered space will bring. Margaret, 70, was sorting through her children's old toys. She paused and visualized herself in a clean, organized living room. She realized that keeping the toys wasn't adding value to her life today, so she donated the collection, making room for new memories. This technique helps seniors release emotional attachments to items by focusing on the future rewards of a clutter-free life. It turns decluttering into a meaningful process, aligning their actions with their long-term well-being. Action 6. Wisdom Advantage. As seniors, you have something that younger generations may lack: life experience. This experience makes decision-making much easier, especially when it comes to decluttering. You've lived through trends, fads, and changing needs, so you know what truly adds value to your life and what doesn't. By trusting your instincts, you can make decisions quickly and confidently. Action 6. Wisdom Advantage. Leverage your life experience to trust your instincts when decluttering. Trusting your gut is key. You've learned what matters over the years, so when you pick up an item, don't second-guess yourself. You'll know immediately if it belongs in your life or if it's time to let go. Step by step, pick up the item and immediately assess its value in your life. Trust your gut. If you feel no attachment or use for it, let it go. Don't overthink it. Your life experience has already given you the wisdom to know what to keep. Helen, 68, knew she didn't need the old toaster that had been gathering dust for years. Without hesitation, she let it go. It was an easy decision thanks to her wisdom. By relying on your instincts, decluttering becomes faster and less stressful. You're not bogged down by indecision, just clear, confident choices that make your space more meaningful. Action 7. Memory Preservation Method. One of the toughest challenges in decluttering is parting with sentimental items that hold precious memories. However, you can honor these memories without keeping every physical item. The memory preservation method helps you keep the essence of your memories while reducing clutter. This way you preserve what matters most without feeling overwhelmed by the past. Action 7. Memory Preservation. Keep the memories, not the clutter. Instead of storing piles of old photos, artwork, or souvenirs, select a few key items that represent your most cherished memories. For the rest, take photos and create a digital memory album so you can revisit them anytime without the physical clutter. Step by step, choose a few key items that represent important memories, like a special painting or a keepsake. Take photos of other sentimental items that you want to remember but don't need to keep. Create a digital album to store these images. This allows you to hold on to the memories without the clutter. Sandra decided to keep just one of her daughter's favorite paintings. She took photos of the other artwork and created a digital memory album instead of storing a box full of paintings. This method helps preserve the sentimental value of items while preventing them from accumulating into overwhelming clutter. It allows you to cherish the memories without the physical burden. Action 8. Donation Station Strategy. One of the best ways to stay focused during decluttering is to have a designated area for items you plan to donate. The donation station strategy ensures that everything you're letting go of has a place to go immediately, keeping you organized and motivated. By setting up a clear space for donations, you reduce distractions and maintain momentum throughout the decluttering process. Action 8. The donation station. Keep the momentum going by having a space to immediately collect donations. Choose a corner or room where you can keep all items that are destined for donation. Once the space is full, take everything to your local donation center. This simple setup keeps your process flowing smoothly without interruption. Step by step, choose a corner or room in your home where you can store items for donation. Place items in this space as you go through your decluttering process. Once full, make a trip to your local donation center to drop off the item. Repeat as necessary to keep your decluttering process on track. George set up a donation station in his spare room, and it kept him motivated as he saw the pile of donations grow. It reminded him of the progress he was making. This strategy helps you stay focused on decluttering without unnecessary delays. It creates a sense of accomplishment as you see your donation pile grow, making it easier to stay engaged and on track. Hack-Sen saying, Family Involvement Protocol. Decluttering can be a solo task, but involving family members can sometimes be tricky. The Family Involvement Protocol ensures that your decluttering process runs smoothly by setting clear boundaries with your loved one. This method helps prevent family members from interfering with your decisions, while still allowing them the opportunity to retrieve any items they might want to keep. Hack-Sen saying, Family involvement. Set clear boundaries with your family to ensure they support your decluttering decision. Before diving into decluttering, have a conversation with your family about what items they're interested in. Let them know what they can and can't keep, so you can work without constant interruptions or second guessing. Step by step, to talk to your family before you start decluttering. Let them know that you're decluttering to simplify your space. Set clear boundaries. Explain what's off limits for them to touch without permission. Stick to your plan. Once the timeline ends, donate or discard anything not claimed. Margaret told her children she was decluttering, and they agreed to pick up any items they wanted within the next week. After that, anything left behind was hers to donate or toss. This protocol ensures you maintain control of your decluttering process, while still giving family members the opportunity to retrieve sentimental or useful items. It helps maintain a smooth, uninterrupted decluttering experience. Hack-Sen Victory Lap Celebration System. After dedicating time and energy to decluttering, it's important to celebrate your hard work. The Victory Lap Celebration System helps you acknowledge your progress and solidify the habit of decluttering by marking the occasion with a celebration. This isn't just about tidying up. It's about rewarding yourself and reinforcing positive feelings around keeping your space organized. Hack-Sen The Victory Lap. Celebrate your hard work and solidify the decluttering habit. Once you've completed your 48-hour declutter session, it's time to reflect and celebrate. Take photos of your newly organized spaces, write down your feelings about the transformation, and plan something special to enjoy your clean environment. Step by step, take photos of your decluttered spaces to capture the difference. Write a note reflecting on how you feel now that your home is organized and clutter-free. Plan a special activity to enjoy your newly organized space, perhaps enjoying a cup of tea, reading a book, or having a quiet moment of relaxation. Helen, 72, celebrated her decluttering success by enjoying a peaceful afternoon with tea in her newly organized living room. It felt like a well-earned reward for her hard work. Celebrating your success not only reinforces the positive feelings associated with decluttering, but also helps keep you motivated in maintaining an organized home long-term. This sense of achievement boosts your confidence and makes the decluttering habit stick. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. You've now got 10 powerful decluttering hacks designed specifically for seniors, helping you tackle clutter without stress. From the 5-second mercy rule to the victory lap celebration, each hack is aimed at making the process simple, fast, and rewarding. You're more than capable of transforming your home into a peaceful sanctuary, one step at a time. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and share your experience as you declutter. Next week we'll dive into smart storage solutions for seniors. You won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Evergreen Organize and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Keep decluttering and enjoy the journey to a more organized life.